Hey guys, in this video I want to talk about the current state of Fortnite and how can Fortnite improve and why other Battle Royale games, for example Apex Legends, are taking its player base. Also, I want to talk about all of the things that need to be changed in this game so it can become a classic game like League of Legends that has been around for 10 years. So before we start, I just want to say that I didn't make this video to hate on Fortnite or Epic Games, but I made it because I really think that there are many ways in which Fortnite can improve. I really love this game, even though I suck at it. I think it is, or at least it was, fun to play. I love Epic Games too. I love the jokes in every new patch update on Reddit by Mr. Popo. I love the support that they give to creators. I love that they try really hard to please all of us and surprise us with new events and items, but there comes a time when they just need to focus on the game and optimize it. So first of all, let's talk about all of the changes in the game. With every new patch there is a new weapon, item or a vehicle added, and I really love that because it makes the game fun and not boring. And I'm okay with all of the new stuff and I look forward to more, but I think that Epic Games should first fix or optimize their game on all platforms. Since I started playing Fortnite, I subscribed to the Fortnite subreddit and there have been many complaints. For example, a lot of players have been complaining about the texture glitches or textures not loading, the constant FPS drops, the high ping, the ghost shots, the weapons not firing, etc. etc. And these bugs or glitches, whatever you want to call them, aren't new. Some of them have been around for more than 4 seasons. And I know that these bugs aren't easy to fix, but I think one of the reasons that other Battle Royales like Apex Legends are doing better is because the players don't want to wait anymore for them to be fixed. And before you start saying that Apex Legends also has bugs, glitches and crashes, I know that because I have played it and I've also done many tutorials on how to fix them. But Apex has been released for a month now and Fortnite has been around for a year and a half. I'm not saying that Epic doesn't try to fix them, but it looks to me that they just aren't trying enough for a company that has earned millions of its game. I don't want Epic to be known for the same bad stuff that EA is known for. The second thing that I want to talk about is a ranked mode. I've been playing this game since season 6 and even though that doesn't look that far away, it means that I have been playing for more than 6 months. I'm your typical casual player and by this I mean I play like 1 to 2 hours every other day or so. And you would think that this would be enough to actually get a victory at least once. But no, I still haven't won a game and this doesn't mean that I talk trash because of that. I can honestly tell you that I truly don't care if I win or not, I just play to have fun with friends. A lot of players have been complaining that they just can't keep up with all of the tryhards or sweats. I'm not trying to insult them, because it does require skills and a lot of practicing to get at their level, but for people like me, casual players, I think that we just don't have enough time to invest in this game. And this doesn't mean that we shouldn't win or that we should get shotgunned in the first minute. One more reason that Fortnite needs a ranked mode is that you're just kinda pushing the new players away. So for example, if someone started to play the game at season 7 and they have been playing for a month or so, they would just get killed in the first few seconds of the game with very few chances for them to stay alive at least for a couple of minutes. And I'm not saying that if someone starts to play the game now, they should win their first game, but it is kinda repelling getting killed at the start of a game without being able to at least learn. And that is why Team Rumble is here, right? Well yes, but actually no. As I said, I've been playing this game for 6 months and without having a victory I wanted to try out some LTM because until now I thought that they were just a waste of time. And I started playing Team Rumble almost every day because it was the only mode that I could play and actually get kills and win. But somehow after a couple of weeks LTMs became boring and they just weren't enough. I still wanted to win a solo game but I just couldn't. And this is why I think a ranked mode will benefit all players. Of course that there will be smurfs, but even with them it would give the new players a lot more space to improve. I mean, there are 100 players in a solo game and let's say that 10 of them are smurfs, the other 90 will be at the same level and even though they might not win, they still can improve because they're playing against other players like them. Another reason why ranked should be added is because then there will be a normal mode and there will be a lot less tryhards. I mean, if you've spent hours and hours playing this game trying to get better, you would want to show off your skills against other players that are as good as you are, because just playing against casual players or noobs won't be enough for you. And that's it for now. This is all of the stuff that I could think of. If you have any suggestions on ways to improve the game, just comment on this video. So at the end, I just want to say that we all really love this game. It is fun to play, but there are moments when I think that it can be improved and get all of its player base back. Thanks for watching, don't hate on me, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment what do you think of Fortnite's current state.